Hi students, in this video we are going to learn solutions for a sample paper CBSE Class 10 Term 2. Already first 3 questions uploaded in our channel. The link is given in the description box. Those who need can watch it. Let's start from question number 4 now. Question number 4. A metallic sphere of total volume pi is melted and recast into the shape of a right circular cylinder of radius 0.5 centimeter. What is the height of the cylinder, they are asking. So they have given with the two shapes. One is a sphere, the another one is a cylinder. They are melting the sphere, they are recast into the cylinder. Now basically melting and recasting will come under volume. So we can definitely say that volume of sphere will be equal to volume of cylinder. So we know the formula of both. Let's write it directly. Formula video is already available. Those who have doubt can watch that. So 4 by 3 pi r cube is a basic formula. Now I am not going to substitute because they have given the value directly. Volume of the cylinder pi r squared h. But in our question they have given us metallic sphere of total volume pi. So volume of the total sphere is given with pi. So you can change with pi, which is equal to pi into r squared into h. For the cylinder, r value is mentioned as 0.5 centimeter. Those who feel comfortable with the decimal multiplication, you can go further directly. I feel with a fraction it's easy. 0.5 can be written as 5 by 10 centimeter. So r squared I can write it. This is 1s are 2s are. So I can write it 1 by 2 the whole square, that is my radius value. H value we need to find out. So except the h, all the remaining terms can be taken to that side. We have a pi. This is pi by 1. If you bring it to the other side, that is 1 by pi. Multiple by 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 4. So 1 by 4, if you bring it to that side, 4 by 1, which is equal to h. This pi and this pi will get cancelled. So the remaining value is only 4. So 4 centimeters equal to h is your correct answer. That is the height of the cylinder what they are asking for. This is your correct answer. Look at the next question. The data regarding the height of 50 girls of the class 10 of a school is given below. Height and the number of girls are given. Change the above distribution to the more than type distribution. So we have to convert the table alone to the more than type. So we have to write it more than 120. How many students? More than 130. Children, keep one thing very clearly in your mind, whatever they are asking. If they are asking for more than type, you have to take the small interval. Upper interval, lower interval we have. 120 to 130 means 130 is upper one, 120 is a lower limit. You have to take the lower limit. More than 120 we have to consider. We cannot go from more than 130 because then 120 to 130 value will be missing. So more than type, if they are asking, you just collect all the lower limit. More than 120, more than 130. Likewise, first we have to write this box. If it is less than, you have to go with the less than 130, less than 140. Upper limit we have to take for less than type. That is the first thing you should keep it in your mind. After writing two values, you should be very comfortable to write this table. Then remaining you can subtract and write it. So these are all the height of the school children. So more than 120 height, more than 120 centimeter. How many children are there now? All the 50 children will be in the height of more than 120 only because the starting interval is 120 into 130 only. So more than 120 number of girls will be the whole class. More than 120 centimeter, all the students will be there. So 50 you should write it. Likewise, more than 160. Come to the last one. More than 160. How many students will be there? 8 students. So definitely the table last value we can write it as 8. That is more than 160. You can comfortably write with the 8. Now the remaining alone we have to convert very easily. Now children, more than 130 if you want, the 2 children alone will not be there. All the remaining will be more than 130. So first you have to subtract this 2. 50 minus 2 will give you 48. You write it here. Next again. More than 130, so remaining 48 children we have written. Now more than 140 we have to consider now. These two numbers will not be there. 2 plus 8. So 10 can be subtracted from the 50. That is one way. Other way, so we have subtract the 2. Next we have to subtract this 8 from this number. 48 minus 8 will give you 40, we can write it. Now the next number in our table is 12. Subtract the 12 from this. So 40 minus 12 will be 28. From 28 minus 20 it's give you 8. We already written this. So this is the exact more than type of distribution. Only this table is enough. That's just a 2 mark question. Question number 6. We have internal choice. Again the first question the same type. Convert the following distribution more than type cumulative frequency distribution. So this one the same method you can try with your fifth question. Now we'll do the OR option. Find the median for the given frequency distribution. For the given table we have to find the median. To find the median, first the table which is given horizontally should be converted into vertically. You just write all the class interval here, all the frequency here. To find the median, we need the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency finding is very easy. So the first number 2 should be written as it is. Next number 2 plus 3 we should add. 2 plus 3, 5. And 5 plus 8 will be 13. 13 plus 6 will be 19. 19 plus 6 will be 25. 25 plus 3, 28. 28 plus 2 will be 30. If you are adding all this, definitely 30 will come. This two total and the last box should be the same thing. That should be considered as n. The next step of finding median is we need to identify what is n by 2. So n by 2 is equal to, we got 30 totally. 30 by 2 is 15. So n by 2 is 15. Now we have to find out 15 lies between which two numbers of CF, cumulative frequency. 15 is lies between 13 and 19. So in this big number we have to select. So 19 we have to select. Now this box is a median class. So this is a median class. In this median class we have to take the first number. The lower limit should be considered as a L and the frequency should be considered as a F. And the cumulative frequency alone you have to take it as a preceding cumulative frequency. Because 15 lies between these two numbers. From this we are taking L and F. This one should be considered as CF. That is preceding cumulative frequency is a meaning. Now let's write a formula. So we know the basic median formula. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H is your basic formula. Now let's substitute. L value we got 55. 55 plus n by 2 we got 15. 15 minus CF 13 divided by F is 6. Multiplied by H is a class is 55 to 60, 60 to 65, 65 to 75, 5 gap. So the class size is 5 you should write. Now here 55 plus 15 minus 13 is 2 by 6 into 5. Now 2 1s are 3s are we can write it. So 55 plus 5 by 3 we can write. 5 by 3 we can divide. 5 by 3. 1 3s are 3. Balance 2. 0.0 you can take. 6 3s are 18. Balance 2 0 6 6 it will be keep on going. So 55 plus 1.6666, so that you can convert as a 67 because more than 5 you can take add 1 with that. So 55 plus 1.67 is 56.67 is your correct median value. Children, you just select whether the median value lies between the interval which we have taken. That is your correct answer. So this is a correct answer. If you feel the video is useful, give a like to us, share our video with your friends, subscribe our channel for more videos.